This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we are going to demonstrate that you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So first of all, you gotta open Settings, then enter the SIM and Network Settings category, that is the second one over here. And well, at this respective SIM card fields or sections, if the phone number is saved into the SIM card's memory, it will be displayed right over here. Another way of checking the mobile phone number is by entering the My Phone category, then scroll the page down, go for the More Information, For Information, and at the following page you'll be able to see the phone number that is saved on the SIM card as well. So that will be it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.